Hey there, YouTubers. How many of y'all have simple lives? Go to work, come home, eat dinner, go to bed, wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, come home, eat dinner, go to bed. Same thing every day, right? Mundane. I guess I should be thankful because I don't have that. I have chaos. And I mean chaos. There's always something broken. There's always something needing doing. There's always something. So if you've got one of those, go to work, come home, maybe even spend a little time with the family, whoo, that's the life. Enjoy it. Because this life is crazy. Okay, I've got 3 jobs, if you count YouTube as a job. I don't know if I consider it a job because I don't really make any money. I make a little, but it's not really a job. I don't have to do it. My other job, I guess I don't have to do that. Well, I guess you don't have to do any of them if you don't want to eat. But the whole main purpose of this channel was to just work on hot rods. I never get to do it. There's always something going on. As you saw the last video, the belt on the lawnmower, no good, right? Got to put a new one. I threw it away, I think. But anyway, got to fix the lawnmower, right? Got to keep the grass green and not too long. My daily drivers, they break down. You got to fix them. Got to do maintenance on them. Now, I got another problem. You're like, what's that? Well, I'm going to show you in a second. But it be broke. Something wrong. You know that Chinese guy, something wrong. You know? And I pulled it off already because it's in a corner behind my parts cleaner, and I'm not going to be able to get good camera angles anyway. But I'm going to basically show you where this goes and what's wrong. I also have 2 trees that have to come down, and I have a car that I promised I would fix for a guy. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. But anyway, there's always something. I was like, today I'm going to work on the Corvette. No. Yesterday my wife sold like 25 chickens, and I had to catch them all. Well, help her catch them all. Chickens, right? Chasing chickens. It's crazy. But anyway, this is our next project. It's not a thrilling one. It's really going to be, well, it might be because this is pretty cheesy steel. So we might be harder than I think. But anyway, this is what we're going to fix. I'll show you where it goes. It's not going to be a long video. I'd probably talk longer than it's going to take. So let's walk over to the door and I'll show you what it is. If you look at the garage door, you'll see them. See, there's a hinge. Oh, hush. Hinge right there. And over here, something wrong, right? No hinge. That's because it was that broken one. There's a whole bunch of them. I'm actually thinking of putting the broken one in the middle because maybe less stress there than on the ends. Because it broke on the end, right? So, what do you think? Stick it in the middle, or one of the middle ones after I repair it? I think I might do that because it does look like the end, although it may be a different hinge. Oh, I think it's different. Yeah, it's different. Oh well, none of that. But you can see that there's a little bit more pressure on the hinge. Why'd they do that? Oh well. Anyway, so that's what we're up against. We're just going to weld it real quick, put it back in. That'll be it. Remember what I was saying about always something to do? Again, something wrong. Light's not working, so it's dark in this corner. So, yay, more to do. Well, let's get started. We don't have time to waste. Safety glasses. Not going to worry about that. The bolt's going to go there. Get that fairly flat. I'm just going to go ahead and put it back on. I about had to be a contortionist to get my camera angle so that I could actually see what I was doing. And then now, to get around my parts cleaner, it's going to be another bit of a challenge. It's a lot easier taking this thing off. I'm going to put this screw in here. See if I can't get that started. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's see if I can get... I need more hands. Let that go? Okay. Mechanics need at least 3 hands, I'm pretty sure. Alright. Now I can bring this down a little, which I may do. And it wants to fall, so let me get something to prop the door. Bring it down a little, otherwise it goes down behind the parts cleaner. I can't get to it. Well, that was a little bit of work, but an axe handle ended up being pretty handy. I've already bent the hinge down here at the bottom, which can you even see that? Yeah, I guess you can. Look at that. Good camera angle. Alright, so it's not even touching the axe handle yet, but that's okay. We've got angles. So let's get 2 of them in. I'm going to try to point this right. Well, I guess it doesn't let you. Whatever. Okay. Let's just get these other 2. I thought it was going to be able to slide, but I guess it's stuck where it's stuck. Let's get one of these in here. One of these in here. And that one we're going to have to pull in a little bit. So, let's do that. I think we're good. Not real fancy, but you'll notice, and I promised I'd show you this, so I'm going to show you the difference and why that hinge is wrong and probably why it broke. This is the hinge that we just repaired. This is like the 3rd take on this. I didn't realize the battery was dying and it kept shutting off. But anyway, here's the hinge we just fixed. Okay, it's got a single hump. Okay, if I go up to the hinge above it, notice 2. It's got the wheel and another hinge. All right. So this is what we need. This is what we have. And I'm guessing that's why it's binding and breaking. Because all the hinges look the same on the edge. And now if we go to the center, okay, it doesn't have a wheel, but the hinges, on the door. So this is a center hinge that they're using on the edges. So the wheels have never been designed to be in this style hinge. We need this style hinge. So in spite of my efforts to repair that one, I am going to have to order or just go to a hardware store and pick up this style hinge because this one ain't gonna cut it. There you go, fixing the garage door hinge. Not overly exciting, not a very long video. May not even be a video because it looks like my battery might have been dying during the, during the whole filming of this. You may not see this, but if you do see this, then I guess the battery survived at least till the point where I noticed it was going off. But all I want to say is thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out my other videos. They're probably better than this one. This one's foobarred from the start because not only was the hinge broken, and then I fixed it, it's the wrong hinge, so I wasted my time fixing it. I should have just ordered another one. Hindsight's 20/20, and otherwise I'm a blind man. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See ya.